video and a view into Huck's world. Today we got an awesome analog watch face to check out by My Gallery, and she continues to get creative. She creates some of the most unique watch faces I've seen yet in the Gear Manager store. Now the name of the watch face is called Watchbase Engine. Very nice looking analog watch face and always on mode. This has the slickest look. You got to hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think of this watch face in the AOD mode. Now once the watch face is on, I am liking the stripes. I do like the analog hands on this watch face. I do love the animation that's going on. Shouldn't burn that much battery life. You got a PM stamp over here. You got your day and your date over here. You got a second hand that's ticking around the bezel of the watch. This watch face definitely has a good look. But if I double tap right here, I can change the theme of the watch face. Now you get 11 night modes, now 11 day modes, and you get 6 night modes. Just double tap, cycle through all 6, and then you can go into the stripes. I'm telling you, this watch face is nice. Now this is the day mode, people. What do you think? Alright you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.